Yo, what's up, my friends? Welcome to this video. We are at the end of the month, basically 30 days in the month. Tomorrow will be the last day of the month. Let me refresh the screen real quick. This is a platform called Crack Revenue. Let me refresh. All right, as you can see, everything's still the same. So this platform's a CPA network. If you're new here to the channel, it's basically like you just promote offers and it's affiliate marketing and you make money. Now it's an adult network and you promote these adult offers, and you could do any offers out here and just run adult traffic to it because adult traffic's the cheapest in the world. And I'm running ads to get the results here. $130,000 this month. Let's go. That's not my highest ever, but it's really, really good. And if you guys want to know how I'm doing this, I put together a whole program. And yes, I'm trying to pitch that program because I put a lot of effort, a lot of work in it. And it's literally basically, I'm going to say basically guaranteed to get you results. Okay. Because some people are different. Some people can learn, some people can't. But I lay it all out on the table for you, everything about adult marketing. And if you see anyone reselling my courses out there, just so you know, this is a brand new version. If you try to buy an old version, it's not even the same thing. And they if they try to, I just shut them down. Or if they get no traffic, I just don't even do anything about it because it doesn't matter. Plus, if someone buys that stuff, they're not serious anyway, so it doesn't matter to me. This is very, very powerful stuff. And the first time I ever learned about this, I was mind blown and I realized the potential. And now to this day, I'm making big money just from adult marketing. So $130,000 in 30 days. That's huge. That's not even my that's just one of my income streams. Okay. Now it's a big income stream, and that's like 4x return on investment right there on my ad spend. So that's really, really good for this month. There's tons of offers here. You can choose a bunch of them. I split test them like crazy. And some of them I'm not even approved for anymore because I just ran them so much. Some of them got low quality, but that's just because the advertiser is so saturated. But anyway, if you guys want to learn more, like I said, I'm going to give you guys a big, big discount. If you check out down in the link down below in the description, I'm going to have like a discount code for another 50% off, but for the next 3 days, then it's gone. So you can take action now and decide whether or not you're going to hop in the program within the next 3 days. All right, so there you go. You can see what the discount code is there. And I wanted to show you guys Max Bounty here because Max Bounty is another huge income stream for me. And I'm a crazy super affiliate. I might not be the biggest super affiliate in the world. I can tell you right now, for my age, I'm literally crushing it. $104,000 in just 30 days. And this is all free traffic, guys. My email list that I've built over time, and mainly just YouTube, free traffic, huge cash cow channel, just sending people to my offers 24/7 every single day. New people sign up for new offers. On average, I'm pretty sure on average, like per person, they're like converting on multiple offers because I'm promoting a lot of different offers here. Survey offers, pay per sale offers where I get paid per sale of different offers here, email submit offers, and sweepstake offers and everything. Okay. So Max Bounty is one of my favorite income streams because it's so passive. Yes, I have to make a lot of videos for it, but how I do all that, I don't have a program for right now. I used to have one, but I wanted to increase the quality, so I'll be working on that, and I'll let you guys know when I release that program. But guys, I'm telling you, like, the money to be made in this world is crazy, and the secrets, because there are secrets, it's crazy. Now, I know everyone says their backstory, but I sure didn't have a great backstory in my life. Um, just so you know, like, grew up poor, grew up in a stressed family. I love my family to death, and there's nothing wrong with them at all. We just didn't have any money, um, and I had to make things work. And so I failed a ton of times, and not because I failed a lot, I became suicidal, but I was very suicidal through just probably just depression growing up. Just I was just naturally depressed, I think, just like seasonal depression disorder. But and then I got bullied really bad in high school, and it was horrible. And not to go into details or anything, but what kept me going was that desire to make money online. And when I made my first few dollars online, that was enough to motivate me to keep going. And so there's that. And back to crack revenue here. This is what I kind of wanted to mainly cover, I guess, in this video for the end of the month here, because I put together the whole entire adult marketing secrets program, which is insane. Like, if you want to get results, that's the place to be. As you know, it's an untapped opportunity, such an underground opportunity adult marketing is. And there's just endless money to be made. The traffic's cheaper than anything you could buy. It's cheaper than Facebook. Like I remember this is how I discovered adult marketing is my Facebook ad account had a lot of issues. Ads were getting banned. It was super strict and all this stuff. Then it got shut down. Then I was like, what's an alternative? And I looked around in many areas and I discovered, adult traffic is actually super cheap. I need to crack the code to this. And that's what got me into doing adult marketing. And from then on, I failed a lot learning how to do it. I had mentors I listened to, bought their programs, and there was only like two guys who talked about adult marketing. Now they're gone at this point. They're just doing their own thing. But I decided like I would go all in. I like figured it all out. And like I said, I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars, probably over $50,000 just to learn until I had my first successful campaign with adult marketing. Then from there on, I've had $1 million campaigns, okay, 6-figure campaigns, 7-figure campaigns. So I can tell you right now, I know what I'm doing with adult marketing. If you want to learn more, hop inside the program. And for the next 3 days, I'm serious. This is not some fake scarcity. Like I'll get rid of the discount code in the next 3 days, and the price is going to go all the way up after the 3 days. As I said, at the end of the month, I'm going to increase the price back to $2,000, but it'll go on to the next month a little bit, and then I'll increase the price for the Adult Marketing Secrets program to basically $2,000, $1,997. If you guys want to get results, I'm here for you. Your goal is to learn, take action, get results, and scale those results. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching, and go take action on your goals. And peace out, learn machines. Have a wonderful, wonderful month this month. Peace.